Na tekmovanju za pesem Eurovizije ne bomo gledali pocukranih razglednic, ampak bomo spoznavali, kakšen je dan v življenju nastopajočega. Švedske televizijske ekipe so razpršene po vsej Evropi, ena od njih pa je svojo pot pričela ravno pri Hani v Ljubljani.
Slovenia is your first country. What are you doing afterwards?
Yeah, as you said, Slovenia is our first country. We're going to Croatia, going to Albania, Spain, Malta, tons of more countries that I can't remember. We're going to be on the road for 3 weeks, and we are 5 different teams who's going to do it like that. So I think we have a lot of nice experience in front of us and a lot of really fun challenges, because you never know what's going to happen. It's kind of interesting to see how the different countries prepare for the Eurovision thing, how important it is to really show yourself as a country and really be strong in the competition. I mean, I'm super surprised of it being as big as it is, and I think it's going to continue. I think it's so important for the individual countries to do a good performance, but also have like a strong way of showing the side of their country.
So, do you think Slovenia has a strong point?
Yeah, I think so. I think she's going to be cool. I think people are going to like her. People can relate to her in another way. And I definitely think it's so super cool that Slovenia picked her. I think the Europe is going to like it, and the song is good as well.
Kemija na snemanju je bila zagotovo prisotna in oboje stranska.
It's been great. It's been really fun. The crew is super nice. The director is awesome. They're doing a really interesting idea this year with following each artist around kind of a day in their life and shooting special footage of things going on throughout the day. And it's a really nice concept and idea, and I think it's going to be really cool.
This is also an introduction to your involvement in the Eurovision circus. How's it been so far? Was it a life-changing experience?
So far, yeah, it's been crazy. It's definitely been crazy, but no complaints because, you know, I love it and you're working very, very hard for something very positive and good. So, but yeah, it's been a lot of changes, a lot of crazy schedules and a lot of juggling, but it's great.